Congratulations, you made it to the next step on helping you make some money from home. What if I told you there's a way you can make money from home in all 50 states? No experience, you don't have to work every day, all day, you don't need a license, and it doesn't matter if you have a background. The name of the company is called Freedom Path. You'll see how you can take advantage of this, what we call broker career, where you can generate revenue from home and it can change the trajectory of your life. Now, I want you to pay attention to this because at the end of this video, I want you to get back with the person that invited you so they can help you get started immediately. Here are the two owners, Mr. Kevin Carroll and Mr. Ryan Ragland. The company was founded in 2022. Our goal, their mission, is to help 1 million people in the next 5 years make more money, become more financially free. They have an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau, Trust Pilot reviews, positive Google reviews, you name it. Now, what will you even be doing? You would be referring or recommending these services to professionals and business owners who need help getting to the next level. Whether it's credit repair, whether it's they need funding for their business, or they would like you, they want to make some extra money to get to the next level. Now, let me show you this. This is the fintech industry. That's the industry we're asking you to join. Now, believe it or not, you've already been a part of fintech. You just don't realize it. What is fintech anyway? It's financial services mixed with technology. The global fintech market is projected to grow 700 billion by 2030. So you still got time, but you don't. Just think of this as a way of you getting into something before it blows up, like Amazon, like Bitcoin, right? In the 1980s, that's when credit cards and ATMs were established. Think about how long ago that was, right? And one of the things that you want to think about in business, you don't need to invent it. You just need to be a part of it and leverage it. That's you right now. And believe it or not, here's some of the companies that you already know, but you didn't know they're fintech companies. Have you ever used Cash App? You're probably saying yes. Have you ever used Chime? Have you ever used Credit Karma to check your credit? Did you know that that was a fintech company? What about, have you ever heard of Rocket Mortgage? What about some ones that are not on this screen? Have you ever heard of PayPal? Have you ever heard of Stripe? Have you ever heard of SoFi? These are all fintech companies. What about Robinhood? What about Coinbase? They're all fintech companies. I'm telling you, this is major. Now you will learn how you can make some money referring services to people you know and don't know so you could generate some revenue. Now, we're disrupting the entire financial services market. All we're doing is referring services. You probably refer somebody a TV show. Hey, go watch this show. Go watch this movie. Hey, go to this restaurant. Go to this nail tech. Go to this barber. Go to this beautician. And I don't know if you made money from that, but you recommended them. And what happens if they go, right? That means that company or that client or that business person made money through your recommendation. That's the same model we have here. Now, if you're fancy and you know how to run ads on social media or you know how to do some digital stuff, that's an extra bonus. But this program, this system is designed for everyday person to refer people and you get paid the following Friday. All right. Now, I know you see this screen. There's a lot of different services. There's points, and you don't know what's what. I'm not going to go over all of them for the sake of time. I'm just going to go over my top two that I love. All right. And you may have your top two different from my top two, but that's the beauty of this opportunity. I call it pick your wealth. You can pick and choose which service you want to focus on, and you can just find those clients, and you're the bridge to connect them from their problem to this service being the solution. So, one of the services is called Freedom Wealth. That's basically our credit repair service. Each individual service has their own point value. So it's worth a specific point, right? So not only will you make money when a client signs up for that program, but you will also start to accumulate points, which will unlock a bonus for you. And I'll get to that when I show you the 5 different ways we get paid. So Freedom Wealth is a great program. Let's say, for instance, you know somebody who need help with credit on your website. You text them over your website, they enroll, they pay $189 down, $99 a month. You make $75 as soon as they enroll the following Friday. You get paid direct deposit. And then every time they pay their monthly membership, you generate residual income, which in my opinion is incredible. Now let's talk about Bolt funding. There are so many business owners that need funding. Did you know the number one reasons why businesses fail is because they run out of capital? They don't have any money to pay payroll or market or expand their business. Did you know you can literally have your client submit the application on your website and the bulk team will take care of the rest? You can generate thousands of dollars per deal just by helping a business owner get funding. And these funding deals can go up to $10 million. Oh my God. I know you're thinking like, what? And don't worry, you don't need to be experienced. We're going to train you on everything. Hey, maybe you're somebody who has life insurance, right? You got life insurance experience and you're looking for a home to host your license. You can do that as well. I don't want to get too deep into how we get paid on that, but that's another massive bag that you can take advantage of. Now, become an independent broker. Right after this video, get back. Text the person that sent it to you. Maybe they sent it through DM. Maybe they texted to you. Maybe they called you, right? Or maybe they're showing you this video somewhere. Tell them you want to start. And I'm going to go over what you need to do to get started. But 3 steps for you to do this business is so simple. You let people know what you do. You direct them to your website and you help them get enrolled. Now, a lot of people, most people, once they get your website, they'll know exactly what they need to do to get enrolled. And don't worry, all the training is included. As I alluded to and mentioned, you get your own website, you get your own backend portal, and you get mentors that are 6 and 7 figure industry earners that's going to show you how to make money. Now, before I get to the money, I want you to remember it's going to take work, right? It's going to take leadership. It's going to take consistency and dedication for you to make money. Now, just like everything else you do, every job you've ever worked, I hope somebody trained you. And don't worry, we'll have weekly trainings that you can plug into online and recordings that you can see to help you build your business. But remember, your mentor will be holding your hand every step of the way. So here are the 5 different ways we get paid. As you can see, I highlighted my favorite 2, but I'm going to show you all 5 because there's so many more ways we can get paid. But this video, I wanted to make it short and straight to the point. So the first 2 ways is 40% of your new customer activation commission, and we also make residual income. Example, there's a program we have to help an individual with business credit, right? So they enroll in that program, it's $689. Did you know when they enroll in that program, you get paid $275 per client the following Friday? And don't worry, when they pay their monthly membership, you generate residual income. I think up to $60 every 30 days. Shoot, that might take care of your phone bill or some of it, right? So these are the first 2 ways we get paid. Here's the third way we get paid, which is one of my personal favorite. Customer activation bonus. As I mentioned to you earlier, you remember that slide that I showed you where you accumulate points, right? This is where that goes. So not only do you generate revenue when they enroll, you get paid that following Friday, but as you accumulate points, this is an additional bonus. So imagine you got paid that's $275 that I shared with you, right? And imagine if you had an additional 3 points on top of that, you would add another $100. So instead of you making 275 that week, it'll be 375. But what if you added 5 points? What if you added 10 points? You get my point, pun intended. Your goal is to accumulate 20 points a week. That will help you generate over thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. Think about that. Imagine what an extra $2,500 would do for you on a weekly basis. What would that do for you? Can that change your life? Imagine $2,500 a week for 52 weeks. That's $130,000 a year. But what if you just do an extra $200 or $500, right? What would that do for you? That can change the trajectory of your life. So this is another way we get paid. The fourth way, leverage income. If you do decide to build a team, you'll be able to leverage this income. Now, think about this. You can do this in all 50 states. It doesn't matter where you are. If you decide to build a team in Florida, Georgia, Texas, California, Alabama, Ohio, it doesn't matter. When your team make money, so will you. And of course, I don't want to go too much into this because it's going to take long, but I just wanted you to know you decide to build a team if you want, you make money when they make money. And then here's my final one. This is my personal favorite one, the infinity growth bonus. What if I told you between you and your team, you guys accumulate points, you will generate a bonus. And don't worry, they can unlock a bonus as well. Now, let's look at the first one. It says 150 total points. What if you decided to bring two additional people on, one named Tom, one named Jerry, right? Tom brings in 50 points, Jerry brings in 50 points, and there's no limit to how many points, and there's no time frame. So you can do it in 30 days, 60 days, a day, 2 months, 8 months, a year. It doesn't matter. But let's say you bring in 50 points, Tom bring in 50 points, Jerry bring 50 points. If you add that total up, that's 150 points. Well, because you brought Tom and Jerry in, their points count towards your points. That will unlock $1,000 every 30 days for you. All you need to do is maintain your 150 points or more, and you will unlock that bonus. Now, remember, Tom and Jerry can do the same thing, right? They can go out and bring two people in themselves and also accumulate this bonus. I'll never forget the first time I unlocked this $8,000 bonus. It blew my mind. There's so many people making so much money in this company. And let's just put the money aside. You're helping people. You're doing kingdom business and you're making positive impact. Think about how many teachers need to make some extra money. Think about what's going on with government or federal jobs. They need extra money. And you don't need to be a salesperson. All you need to do is have willingness, you need to be coachable, and you need to be hungry for change, and we will help you unlock change. There's so many things that I can tell you, but I want to share with you. You're in business for yourself, but never by yourself. We have an annual convention where all of the top leaders from all over the country come together, and we get a training, we catch up. It's just a fun time, right? The company has cruise incentives. There's a major cruise that's coming up, and you could be a part of that as well. Our last convention was in Atlanta, Georgia. Remember, this business is willable, sellable, and transferable. I am Coach Kev. You've been hearing my voice this whole time. Here's a face to the voice. And the reason why I got started with this company is because I was already helping individuals improve their personal credit, but that's all I had. A lot of my clients needed business credit. A lot of them needed business funding, and more of them needed to make some extra money. So I decided to introduce them to this company, and the rest is history. Now I'm a vice president with this company, and my business spans all over the country. I want you to remember the words of Mr. Warren Buffett, and I need you to listen to this. He said, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett is a documented billionaire, right? Let's talk about Dr. Michelle Kofer. She's a regional vice president with this company, but she also had background in taxes and she's a credit specialist. But remember, before she even got into this industry, she was just a social worker. She didn't know about business. So I don't know your background, but here's what I do know. If she can do it and have massive success as a mother, as a wife, as an entrepreneur, you could too. What about Mr. Jeff Trills? He helped his client unlock a $9,800 funding deal, which put money in his pocket the following week. So within 4 days, his client had their money in their bank account. So you don't know how many business owners that you can help. What about Dr. Tangela Collins Myers? I love what she says. Her mission is to equip, empower, and educate anybody who really want to transform their life. She's a vice president with this company. She's a mother. She's a grandmother. She's a wife. She's also a life insurance and a tax expert. So if you need help transforming your life like she did, you need to sign up and join this movement. Let's look at Coach K. She decided to come into the company, help her clients unlock a $58,000 capital to help them expand their business. And the person was a little skeptical, right? The guy didn't really want to do it, but he got impressed once he started the process with how seamless it is. And boom, she got a chance to help her client, and also her client got a chance to help you, all right? Or help themselves, right? Let's look at Miss Kiwi, powerhouse. She's a single mom. Man, I just love her story. Not only did she focus on helping people in her community, but being a single mom, also having 12 years experience as a paralegal, she knows so many people get charged all these monies for all these tools and they don't know where to start. But her work ethic is aggressive. She's always willing to help people who wants to help her help themselves. She had bad credit once upon a time and she started to work on it and it changed her entire life. So I'm not sure if you're a single mom, I'm not sure if you're working dad, I'm not sure if you're a single dad. Bottom line is get back with the person that invited you to get started. Now, it's two options you can get started. If you want to start making money immediately and you don't need help with your credit, it's just $129 to get started, $49 a month, no contract. You could cancel at any time. But remember, you're making money. You need to stay on this program, right? And what do you get for that? You keep getting trained. You keep getting your website being active. You keep getting mentorship. You get all the support you need to help you have success. Now, if you need help with your credit and you want to make some extra money, it's just $289, $99 a month. Again, no contract. You cancel at any time and you can change your entire life if you decide to. Your next step, get back with the person that invited you and get enrolled immediately, and I'll see you on the other side.